Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is Selina, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Selina and I release a crochet video every week, so I hope you enjoy this video. So today I'm bringing to you a vintage crochet wrap slash stole. So it's a perfect project for the spring. It's absolutely gorgeous. I crocheted it with Sirdar Pattercake, and I used two of these, and it's shade 750. I will be linking everything on my blog as always, and in the description box. The free pattern is available on my blog selinaveronique.com as always. So this is a lightweight yarn in American terms, so I think it's like a size 3 yarn, and in UK terms it's a DK sized yarn. So it's a lovely weight yarn for the summer, for the spring. So yes, and like I said, it's part of my vintage series. So this is actually a Regency Era stole. It's really very reminiscent of the 19th century. So very pretty, very feminine. It's long, it's really long. It's perfect to cover your shoulders in the summer. There will be plenty of pictures up on my blog. So I used a 5mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle for this project, and I will be using US terms. And this, so for the purpose of this video, I am just going to use another yarn, and I'm just going to make a slip knot, and I'm just going to pop my hook. It's a much larger hook, but I thought it would be better just to show you how to make this pattern. So for this pattern you will be chaining 206 chains. However, I'm gonna be chaining less just to show you how to do the stitch, but it's exactly the same thing. So I'll just let you go ahead and chain 206. So 1, 2, 3. So once you've chained your 206 chains, you are going to be doing a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So just count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just go into that 4th chain right here and pop a double crochet. So you've wrapped your yarn around your hook, you're going to pull your yarn through. You've got 3 loops on your hook, pull your yarn through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. And if you need more help on how to double crochet, I will be linking my video on how I double crochet in the description box. So you are going to be placing another double crochet in that same stitch that we've just placed a double crochet in. So just go ahead and place another double crochet into that stitch. There we go. So you've actually got 2 stitches in 1 stitch. What we're going to do next is miss 1 chain, so miss the next chain space right here and go into this one, the next one, and place 2 double crochets into that stitch. So miss 1 stitch and go into the next and place 2 double crochets into that stitch. There we go. And what we're going to do is miss 1 stitch and go directly into the next one and place 2 double crochets into that, and miss 1 stitch and place 2 double crochets into the next stitch. There we go. And so you will be repeating this until the end of your row. So you do have 206 chains, so it will take a lot longer. However, I'm just going to show you how to finish off this row. So you are going to be doing this repeat pattern of 2 double crochets in 1 stitch, skipping 1 chain and 2 double crochets until the last 2 stitches, like so. And then once you reach the end of the row, you are just going to skip 1 chain and go directly into that one right here, the last one, and place just 1 double crochet into that chain. And there we go, we've finished row 1. So for row 2, we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. We're going to turn our work like so, and this is what we're going to have. And what we're going to do is place 2 double crochets into the V-stitch from the previous row. So as you can see, like this, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 V-stitches in my sample. You'll have a lot more, and you're just going to find that first V-stitch right here and place 2 double crochets directly into that space. So just go ahead and place 2 double crochets into this space, and just go directly into the next V-stitch from the previous row and place 2 double crochets into that. So just go ahead and place 2 double crochets into that stitch. Then we're just going to go directly into the next V-stitch and place 2 double crochets. So basically we are placing V-stitches on top of the V-stitches from the previous row, and then obviously you will be doing this a lot longer than me because you've chained 206, but I've reached almost the end of my row, so I'm just going to place my last V-stitch into the V-stitch from the previous row. So just go ahead and place your 2 double crochets, and basically you are gonna, once you've placed your last V-stitch, you are going to have just your chain 3 from the previous row right here, and we're just going to double crochet into the 3rd chain right here. So basically you are just going to finish your row with a simple double crochet. So basically this is what it's going to look like. Your V-stitches are framed by double crochets on each side. So row 3 and until row 36, because we've got 36 rows in total for this project, is just a repeat of row 2 that we've just done. So I'll just show you again. So it's chain 1, 2 and 3, turn your work and just go directly into the V-stitch from the previous row and place a double crochet and another double crochet, which forms a V-stitch, and just go into the V-stitch, the next one. So just go directly into that next V-stitch and place another V-stitch into that. Go into the next V-stitch and place a V-stitch into that. And just go into the next one and place another V-stitch. So basically, as you can see, it's very simple. It's just like a really simple repeat, which makes a beautiful stitch. And the last stitch we are going to do, because we finished all our V-stitches and we've just got the chain 3 from the previous row left, we are just going to be placing a simple double crochet into that 3rd chain. So there we go. We've done our 3 rows for now, and basically, this is just going to be a repeat of row 2 and row 3, obviously. So if you need more help, just rewind the video and have a look at those rows again. But I'm sure you'll do fine. And just repeat those rows until row 36. And this is how you create this beautiful, gorgeous shawl stole wrap that you have here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy crochet. And yes, let me know in the comments if there is any project you would like me to do. And in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Bye.